My name is NISHA BAGAL, branch first year ISC, startup company Technos, product present name close sensor, product proposed name SmartWave. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing. First one, the sensor must accurately detect and measure the desired parameters. Second one, the sensor should provide consistent and reliable data outputs. Define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of customers, many few features are added to the existing product. Existing product name close sensor, futuristic product name SmartWave. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Heart rate and respiratory rate monitoring, steps count, distance traveled and calories burned, temperature and humidity sensors, GPS tracking for locating the users in emergencies. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers to this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.